What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, this is an iPad 6th generation. It is a 32 gig space gray, and we're going to be doing a quick unboxing today. So I picked this up today. I got it $2.99. I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing, showing you guys what's in the box, seeing what it comes with, what you can expect to get with your iPad. If I can get this stupid thing up. Okay, well, I ruined the box a little bit, but I'll show you guys. So here we have it in all its glory. Let's open up this box. Let's see what we got here. Wow, so gorgeous 9.7 inch screen. No touch ID. Actually, I think this one might have touch ID. Jesus. Whoops, sorry camera. So, this is the iPad here. We're gonna move that to the side right now. I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. So, in the box you have your usual design by Apple in California. Probably manufactured somewhere in China. But this is basically your instruction pamphlet, your welcome to iPad, how to use it, and your classic Apple stickers. So put those on your Android friend's phone or whatever. You have your medium-sized brick charger. Pretty good. Always comes in handy. And then you have your USB-C to Lightning. And that's it for the stuff inside. So here we have the iPad with the foil on it still. Let me put everything else away. Gorgeous looking. Very light as well. Ooh, sorry if that was loud. I have to edit that out. Gorgeous, very gorgeous. You have your 3.5 millimeter, very good. You have your sleep and power button, your camera right here in the back, your volume rockers, and your standard lightning charger. So, oh, this does have touch ID as well, right there. I thought it didn't. So I ended up getting this 32 gig for school. And overall, I like the size compared to my 10.5 inch. And for the price, I think this will be like a nice e-reader or something like that. Put all my textbooks in and read them off that. The weight is pretty good. The feel is solid. And yeah, I really like the design and feel of it. So that was the unboxing video. Kind of short, I know, guys, but there'll be more videos. Let me know what you guys want to see with this, and I'll try to do more videos on this soon enough. So without further ado, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know it's kind of quick. I know I basically literally just did an unboxing, but that's kind of what this video was about, because I gotta go take a shit right now, so I'm really pooping my pants. So I'm gonna cut this video short, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.